Good morning, dear students. I hope you are fine. Today we are going to solve the 17th numerical. Firstly, we will read the statement. In the 17th numerical, it is given a bulb is marked 100 watt 220 volt. Means to say that power of bulb is 100 watt and voltage is 220 volt. And since there are two devices given, so we will write power of bulb as P1. It is given 100 watt and voltage is given 220 volt. It is for electric bulb. For bulb. Okay. Now electric heater of power 1000 watt. No. It is the 17th numerical. Electric heater of power 2000 watt and voltage 220. For electric heater, I am writing the power as P2. The power of electric heater is 2000 watt and voltage is same 220 volt. It is for electric heater. For electric heater. Okay, students. Now, bulb is an electric heater. There are two questions in this numerical. Firstly, we will solve the first part. What is the ratio of their resistances? Means to say that we will calculate the resistance for bulb for electric heater. Then we will calculate the ratio of their resistances. Okay. Resistance is denoted by capital R. Now, in order to calculate the resistance, we will apply the formula of power. And there are three formulas of power we have studied. P is equal to VI, P is equal to V square over R, P is equal to I square R. Now, which formula you will apply, students? Since we want to calculate R, so obviously we can apply this formula and this formula. But we will apply the second formula. Why? Because in third formula, in order to calculate R, you should know P and I. But there is no I given to you. The given quantities are P and V. So we will apply the second one formula in order to calculate the resistance. And according to the second formula, P is equal to V square over R. Since we are going to calculate the resistance for electric bulb and for electric bulb P is P1. So I am writing here P1. So R will be equal to V square over P1. Right? After the calculation, cross multiplying, R will move here and P1 will move on the right hand side. Now R1. R1 is the resistance of electric bulb. And also we have to calculate the resistance for electric heater. So I am writing resistance of electric bulb as R1. Now what will be the R1? We will put the value of V and P1. What is the value of V? 220. Since there is the V square, so we will write 220 into 220 divide P1. What is the value of P1? 100. After calculation, okay, calculation is easy. You will get 22 into 22 is 484 ohm. It is the resistance of electric bulb. Okay. In the similar manner, we will calculate the resistance for electric heater. For electric heater, resistance is R2. So R2 is equal to V square over P2. R2 is equal to, what is the value of V? 220. 220 into 220 over P2. What is the value of P2? 2000. Now this 0 can be cancelled with this with this. What you will get? You will get 22 into 22, 484 over 20 ohm. Right? It is the resistance of electric heater. Now We will calculate the ratio. Ratio means R1 over R2 equal to, what is the value of R1? 484 ohm. What is the value of R2? 484 ohm divided by 20. So 20 will be here. Cancel 484 ohm with 484 ohm. What you will get? You will get 20 over 1. Means to say that ratio will be equal to 20 ratio 1. Okay students, it is the answer of first part. It's very easy. Power and voltage is given. By applying this formula you can calculate the resistance. Firstly you will calculate the resistance for bulb, then for heater, then in order to calculate ratio you will divide R1 by R2. After calculation you will get 20 ratio 1. Clear? Now in the second part is theoretical. In which of the above thicker wire or lead is required? In which of above means for bulb and electric heater. Okay. For which electrical appliances there is the requirement of a thicker connecting wire? Students, thickness of the wire depend upon the resistance, because resistance is inversely proportional to the area. Means to say that resistance less, area more. Area more means thicker. Now it is very clear to you that resistance of the electric heater is less in comparison to the resistance of electric bulb. So thicker wire will be required in case of a heater. In case of heater, thicker wire is required. So the answer of second part is heater. I hope it's very clear to you. Thank you. Have a great day.